Guanzon Festival is our gift to the Pangasinan people. We will continue to do this as much as we can with your support.
George, ang team handle. Tingnan natin ang gera. Look at this. Si Kems, meron na natin lang. Tapos tinalo na ni Herbert just to complete that source of damage. Humahabol dito si Kems. Biglang mga kaibigan. Medyo hindi na damage sa hindi na damage. Huwag slow.
This 75 years, this is our 75th year of existence. Thank you by way of giving more festivities such as this one. Even without festivity, we guarantee and we commit to you that we will give our best to make every deal a joyful deal. Not only in our shops, not only in our food, not only in our hotels, but in your household.
We plan to make this festival, specifically this year, make it bigger and better. We are not giving away one motorcycle. We are not giving away 2, 3, 4. We are giving away 9 motorcycles in the next 3 days. 9 na motorsiklo po. And that is what I call a bigger and better festival. Aside from that, we have more features.
This is Guanzon Festival 2020.
And today we will give you more, not less.
We are proud to be the part of the yearly celebration of Guanzon Festival, being one of Honda's pioneer partners since 1964. Guanzon, as first dealer of Honda motorcycle in Pangasinan and the biggest Honda dealer in Region 1.
Throughout the years, this relationship has been ever thriving, making Kawasaki as to what it is today. And I know that this union will continue to flourish in years to come.
We are glad to have spent with you our Guanzon family. We share the same passion of giving a comfortable way of life to the Filipinos by giving them the best motorcycle, which can be their partner.
It is needless to say how incredible this number is, and hopefully we can continue the good business relation so that we can contribute further to your success for the future.
What's more important here is the community building and the partnership that was illustrated for the 75 years of Guanzon's involvement with Pangasinan and outside Pangasinan.
Here's to 75 more strong years to come. And to everyone again, maraming salamat po sa suporta na binibigay niyo po sa bayan ng Kalasyaw. Again, thank you.
Maraming salamat, and I would also like to thank our suppliers, not only for supporting the Guanzon Festival, but helping us make the Guanzon brand a very strong brand in the Philippines. May God bless us all.